Good afternoon, students of grade 7. Hope you all are doing well. Students, we have studied about the large water bodies in detail. Now let's study about the importance of oceans. Oceans are very important for us. They have given you some importance of oceans, which are oceans are the major sources of atmospheric moisture and precipitation. Atmospheric moisture and precipitation, oceans are the sources of these both things. They are the major sources of atmospheric moisture and precipitation. They enjoy a direct influence over the temperature and atmosphere, and oceans also enjoy the direct influence over the temperature. In regulating the temperature, closeness to the ocean is a major factor. Ocean are the treasure of minerals and various chemicals. In oceans we can find different of type of minerals and various chemicals. So oceans are the treasure of minerals and chemicals. Treasure का मतलब होता है खजाना. They are the main source of fish and other edible marine life. In oceans we can find seafoods like fish, crabs, right? We can find different types of fishes. So oceans are the main source of fish and other edible marine life. Edible का मतलब होता है खाने वाली. A free and permanent route for travel and trade is provided to us by the sea and oceans. And the permanent route and free route for ट्रैवल करने के लिए ट्रैवल एंड ट्रेड इज़ प्रोवाइडेड टू अस बाय सी एंड ओशियन से बहुत सी चीज़ों की ट्रेडिंग होती है, ट्रैवलिंग होती है. इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टोटल वेव्स दे हैव एन इमेंस एनर्जी सोर्सेज एंड ओशियंस हैव इमेंस एनर्जी सोर्सेज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ waves. Through the proper treatment of ocean water, the drinking water storage can be solved. Through the proper treatment of oceans, the water drinking shortage. Do you know that there is a shortage of drinking water? So they are telling you, if there will be a proper treatment of ocean, then the shortage of drinking water can be solved. The oceans serve as the natural links between the continents, and oceans serves as the natural after every continent there is an ocean. So oceans serve as the natural links between the continents, and they link each other by they link each continent with each other by the, and ocean also link continents with each other. The climate of the coastal areas is modified by the ocean currents, and the climate of the coastal areas is modified by the ocean currents. That is why they have a moderate climate. Students, here this you have to read out yourself, because in my book it's misprint. Okay, so read it by yourself. Water is the only natural substance to be found in the soil, liquid and gaseous states. We can found water in three substances: soil, liquid and gaseous. We can find water in all three forms. The most well-known property of ocean water is salinity. So the most well-known property of ocean water is salinity. ओशियन का जो वाटर होता है वो कैसा होता है? salinity का मतलब होता है खारा, नमकीन. ओके, तो जो ओशियन का वाटर होता है वो कैसा होता है? salinity होता है, बहुत ही मतलब खारा होता है उसका जो वाटर होता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so today you have studied about the importance of the ocean. Now let's do the question and answer related to this part which we have studied today. In next class we will study about temperature of ocean and water.